at the top of your life, three things are indispensable. First, focus. Second, focus. And third is actually focus. Yes, few years ago, my mentor, my philosopher, my dad, Mr. Naveen Kumar Sahu told me this, and this is stick to my heart and I have accepted it till this date. He said that Vardhan, believe or not, but ordinary people having extraordinary focus can achieve extraordinary results. And whenever I listen to this and whenever this line comes to my mind, it makes me really very excited and it boosts me up. And let me tell you, wherever I am today, the biggest reason behind it is my focus and concentration. Now, as a student, I learn so many things and I try it out on a day-to-day basis, and whatever works for me good and gives me a positive kind of an outcome, that experience I always tend to share with you. And thus, I'm shooting this video for you because I want to share another experience of mine with you, and thus I'm telling you that don't take this video as an information, because you know what, information is always there in this online world. Information is always there, but this is based on my true practical experience, and if you do follow the steps what I am giving you, you will be able to enhance and boost up your focus to such a level where you can achieve whatever you want in your life with the help of your focus and your concentration. So hey, this is Vardhan, your well-wisher, and with a simple mission to see you at the top. And for this, I have brought to you today the 4 techniques, yes, the 4 techniques to boost up and enhance your focus and concentration. Now, I can guarantee you success after watching this video, because these 4 techniques are based on my experience and have got thousands and millions of people phenomenal results. Now, it doesn't matter at all if you are a student, a professional, homemaker, teacher, businessman, salesman, network marketer, anyone, it doesn't matter. If you can follow these steps, you will be able to enhance and boost up your focus and do your job in a much better way. Now, I can guarantee you that you watching this video can improve, can boost the quality of your life. So out of the 4, the first technique I got for you is not to-do list. Yes, not to-do list. Now, many of you have made your to-do list, that those who contain complying with what are the activities you have to do on your day-to-day basis. But here the thing is about making your not to-do list. Those lists consisting of all the activities which you feel that you should not at all do, the activities which you feel should not even look at. Now, why is it a not to-do list? Because, see, there is a norm that distractions are always there. Yes. Because of social media, internet, smartphone, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so many apps, and God knows how many apps you must be using, and their notifications always popping up. So distractions are always there. Now, many a times it happens with us that an idea comes to our mind and we start thinking on it, and see, we have got distracted from what we were doing. And sometimes it also happens like that. You remember that, oh, I posted something on my Instagram. Let me see that how many likes it would have got. Oh, that guy, did he like my post or not? And you then open your Instagram account just for once, even for a second, to just check that how many likes did your post got. And alas, you lose your attention over there. Now, studies have proved that if you get distracted even for once, for just a second, it takes you 25 minutes or more than 21 minutes to get back and to regain the same amount of concentration and focus. And thus, when you make a not to-do list for you, it helps you handle your distractions. Now when you get any thought, you don't even have to touch your mobile. You just write it down on that not to do sheet. Now, after you have written that work down, 2 things can happen. Number 1, either you will feel that, oh, what is this work? This is such a big nonsense. I don't even need to do this work. What is the need to do this work? Why even have wrote this here? Or number two that can happen is you will feel that if that work is really important, then the list is with you. Whenever you get time, whenever you get free from the main work, you can always move to that work and complete it. Alright? So this was the first tip of making a not to do list. Second thing is pick your priorities right. Now actually it is not priorities. It should be priority. The more you make it plural and the more you add things to your priority, it loses its value. Always there is one priority for you. Not there are priorities, alright? Now let me give you an example. Once, the richest stock investor of this world, Warren Buffett, was with Phil Knight. You know what? Phil Knight asked Warren Buffett that he is not able to choose his priorities well. Warren Buffett told him to write 25 of his goals. Now Phil Knight was very fast to write 25 of his goals. Now after writing, Warren Buffett told that now you circle on to the most important 5 goals which you want to keep on your priority basis. Now Phil Knight hastily circled the 5 things which he felt that it is the most important one. Now Warren Buffett told that, now did you understand something? Now Phil Knight told, yes, I understood. Now Warren Buffett said that, oh, what do you understood? Tell me. Phil Knight said that you have told me to focus mainly on these 5 things which I have circled, and rest of the 20 things, look at it side by side. Now you know what Warren Buffett told? He told, no my dear, you got it wrong. This doesn't mean to pay attention to the 5 and to pay a little bit of attention side by side to the 20, but this means to pay attention and focus all to the 5 and delete all those next 20 things. Those are the distractions. Those are not your priority. And thus Phil Knight understood that yes, there was only 5 things he need to focus on, and rest all were his just thinking, his just bubbles and distractions coming inside his mind. So I'm sure with this example you are clear with your priority that it is better to have 5 successful projects than 20 unsuccessful projects. Alright? So this is how you pick your priorities right. Next thing, the third technique is Eisenhower's matrix. Yes. Now Eisenhower matrix consists of 4 boxes. There is a box. Now here you can see there is a box. Now in this box you are able to see there is written urgent, not urgent, important, unimportant. Now whatever work you have to keep the work accordingly into all these 4 boxes. Like the work you have in urgent and important, you will do it right now. The work you find in urgent but not important, you will delegate it. The work you find not urgent but important, you will plan it. The work you find not urgent and not important, you will just delete it. Alright? So I'm sure you are clear with this Eisenhower's matrix. It is very easy and it makes your task much more easier. With this matrix, I am sure that you will be able to concentrate and focus on your work very nicely. Why? Because now you have classified your work into what is urgent and what is important. Alright? And you know what? Many a times when you feel that, oh, this day is going so boring, I have done so many work but I cannot feel something achievable. Now let me tell you, you were beating around the bush against those things. Those were unimportant, also not urgent. Those have to be deleted, and you were working around those work, and thus you did not felt any kind of achievement in this day. So from now, what you have to do is you have to classify your work according to this Eisenhower matrix. Alright, now this makes your work very easier. Now the fourth technique is exercises, which makes your focus and concentration strong. Now these are simple kind of exercises which will help you to increase and enhance your focus and concentration. Now what you need to do, I'm going to give you 4 simple exercises, and you need to follow these 4 simple exercises only 5 to 10 minutes per day. Now if you're starting off, I want you to do it for 5 minutes and then increase its timing till 10 minutes. Alright, first exercise that you can do is backward counting from 100 to 1. Yes, or from 100 to 0. Yes, like 100, 99, 98, 97 and so on. Now this is scientific method to increase and enhance your focus, and this is a very simple exercise to count backward number, and this you can do for 5 minutes or for any extent of time, maximum for 15 minutes you can do it to increase your focus. Alright, second exercise that you can do is you can watch the seconds hand of a clock, wall clock, wherever you sit quietly, peacefully and observe the clock, observe the seconds hand of that clock. Wherever it goes, just follow it and just focus on it, and focusing on one thing, one at a time, this helps you a lot. And you know what it is, I'm telling you on my experience, based on my experience and also based on so many people who have tried this and have got phenomenal results. So it works like magic. These exercises are really powerful, and you know what, this is based on a logic that your brain is able to perform a task at a time, one task at a time, and here you are focusing on one task at a time and you are not giving it multitask to do, and thus your brain is focusing and concentrating in these tasks very nicely. And the same thing will happen to when you do your work, like, because you know what, how you do anything is how you do everything, and thus how you do this will affect your while you sit to study, and the same thing, the same amount of focus which you are giving in this point of exercise, you will be able to give in that kind of work. Alright, I've given you 2 exercises. Now the next one is close your fist, open your fist. This is another kind of exercise which you have to do to make yourself, to enhance your concentration and focus level. Alright, now this is very simple exercise. You only have to sit quietly and just close your fist. Now focus on your closing and your opening, closing and opening. This helps you a lot to increase your focus. Now next thing is 4th exercise which I prefer is just take any word which empowers you or which inspires you. Just take any of the word and just repeat that word again and again for 3 to 5 minutes in your mind, and you will see that your focus, your concentration has increased. Why? Because you are doing a task at a time, focusing on it. Alright, and these exercises are really helpful. Believe me, these exercises are really helpful and have got phenomenal results for people who really followed it to the T. Alright, so I hope that you found this video very useful and you are going to follow all these 4 techniques in case of enhancing and boosting up your focus and concentration. Whether you are a student, whether you are in any work, you have to concentrate and focus to reach the zenith. Thus you have to follow all these 4 techniques. Alright, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, to hit the like button and click the description box and check there are various links given which can help you grow in your career, which can help you scale up in your business, which can help you boost yourself in this online space. Okay, alright, so and also there are links given below in the description to my social media, and do follow me on my Instagram. There are links given below. Do check out the description box, and there are always some kind of gifts given, so make sure you check the description box. And till then, that's all. Thanks for watching this video till the end. This is Vardhan Sahu signing off until we meet again. Bye bye.